Alright, so here's another program that I made. This one takes a string and you can type in commas between each of the things and it'll put each of those like segments into like an index of an array. So I called it format, and if you run it, so I could type like dog, cat, mouse, and whatnot, and I click enter, and then it puts each of these words as their own index in an array. I don't know, that could be kind of useful for like if you wanted to add a lot of stuff into a program instead of having to ask the user each time, like, do you want to add another thing? He'd be like, oh, just add them all right here, and I'll just put it into an array to store them. Um, Here is the code. Um, so this is the format class, and then here's the method. Um, Basically, uh, I am just using, so I'm doing substring of from start index to the comma index. So if I type in like dog, comma space cat, I would go substring from start index, which is just automatically set to 0, to comma index, which is uh, index of the comma, so it just gets the first one, and then that, saves it into that, and then I add that to the array, and then I update the start index, so it is now two like places after the comma index. Um, so that accounts for the space, and then I update the comma index, which I set to the next comma after the previous comma index. So, like it progresses one down. And then this is just like if it's at the end, so if it can't find, um, the next, if there is no comma, this becomes -1 because index of returns -1 if it can't find what you tell it to find. So I just say if it is -1, um, the comma index just equals the length of the string because it's at the end, and then I say run to false, and I just repeat these two things. So it adds the last segment, and then I just have a get method that I can just call in here, and this is the runner, and this could be any program. I just, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just thought it was kind of interesting, maybe a cool way to store stuff, if you're writing a program. Yeah, that's pretty much it.